back to Learn Smart Manipur. Ngasigi ahum suba episode ta lukutsari diary entry amadi notice writing. Without further delay, let's dive into the topic. So yengasi notice writing lay ko. Hi ba notice writing asi koina yengbu kanda class 10 ki SSLC ki exam da hangadisi 3 marks da hangani ko. The notice writing natraga koina diary entry hangbi diary entry ko today is a chap manana 3 marks hangani yarim koi 50 word limit ko ayam matamda 50 words hai ko so hariba word limit se koi manumda koi igadani ko hariba notice writing is 3 marks ni so let's see the format for notice writing format happy yen se ko ahamda koi na paper eager to paper to give me a portion da name of the issuing authority kon igniko hadi notice kanan issue to for example club ni issue to boitardi club to give maming igne can they club ni issue to boitardi club ki maming igni then again school na issue to boitardi school ki maming igne yanda bire ko adu mathang da head adu gi head makha da koina notice haibu he si capital letter da thabigani adu makhada koina underline to bigani ka adu gi hek makhada underline to matung da date thabigani date se in full habiga atradi formal iba kan di date se koina for example ngasi gi date 11 ka 11/12/2024 and iba se si formal iba kan di kya chana dev ko tuna koina kya ina dev so we'll write it like sumaina 11th December 2024 and igane dates adu matung da date ki hek makha da koina title igani hariba title asi either she left side ta sida EBI or mai the EBI ko adu nang convenient gi matung ina EBI anywhere adu makha da body of the nasai gi notice to gi body do hawni ko hariba body say it should be of 50 words so igadu ni ko so how it is hereby notified to all man haibam yai or it is hereby notified to all am haibi or this is to inform to haning bako adu di magi channel matungina adu asida yenga it is hereby notified to all nangi matungina sai lapu matungina body da nangi haribo notice to date igani matang time duration place and venue habdi haribo sigi body is the either what haibo questions again answer igani where have a questions again answer me igani then when have a questions again answer me igani aduga if notice to kitang sangna ba ko gi some reasonable yauta di reason yauta di how have a questions ko and why have a question sometimes you can add ko according to demand of the question but koi word limit sing adobuni word limit is 50 words to koi ina bo honaga done hariba what where when have a question me am se khomu matungda nasagi adu hek maka right side ta koina nang a signature ta guni ko to the signature da nangi designation amadi maming igani ko hariba signature sini format adu lor matung da hariba koina box ko sumaina ruler am tor kanda mai mapa khudi mak se koina box khajing ani ko sumaina tori sumaina ko so hypek chorapo makhang na ba I think chorapo my format se khangin khali aduna makata na sample ama under 2024 da hangiba notice sama ko effect yeng si question si ko so questions te kai hagi hai kanda you are Nitin comma hai you are Nitin secretary of Nambo's United Club the club is organizing a free health checkup program so reproduce a notice informing the people of the area to be part of the health checkup ko so hari exam under ki 2024 da hangi ni 3 marks ko or chagi ko so you are Nitin ko so you are Nitin have some section ga dawni nang si nangi ming hai school da nangi ming tomba ko hai da ta tomba ram ga du banate sida nangi ming you are Nitin hai ta ati nangi ming sa Nitin hai na heng sign to ga du ne otherwise nang sagi ming sign to ram ta ati da heng mark phang oi ko so let's see the dive into the notice ko yenga si aham ko issuing authority igadu ne habani issuing authority igadu ne habani aham kanda iba kanda so issuing authority se kana oire si hariba question si dadi Masai Nambol United Club si oye ko. Masai Nambol United Club na issuing authority hari notice mana issue tau dunia. Adu mathang da kona notice igani ko capital letter ire adu matung da kona line nama chingbire ko line sing makada date se full da ire. Si ire matung da masai title do sida lere ko. Title do sida lere title ibire. Title se free health checkup program hai ko hariba magi title ama thon bire ko na ko. Adu makada masai hariba you har manam sidi informing the people of the area to be part of the health checkup. Health checkup ki part mo oina ba sai notice EU have ne. So let's dive into the notice ko. So this is to inform the residents of Nambol area that Nambol United Club is organizing a free health checkup program. Ko sisini what is sida hai ko karino hai kanda. This is to inform the residents of Nambol area that Nambol United Club is organizing a free health checkup program. What hai ko kanana by medical professionals sidi extra ani ko and qualified doctors. See the extra ni have to say ko. So program by medical professionals and qualified doctors on Sunday 15 December 2024. Sisina karigi answer no when hai tani ko. Say question hangane abdo ko. When the answer ni at the club auditorium. This is the answer for where. Hai ba question si answer sinji kumma bra da pe check toromo ko. So we encourage everyone to take advantage of this opportunity to monitor their health and receive professional guidance. So for further details, please contact Nitin, Secretary Nambol United Club. Then makada kone signature taroni Nitin hai ko sign hai with you are Nitin hai tadi you have to sign yourself as Nitin, General Secretary Nambol United Club. Hayas mana lorani dumatunda then the boundary to present sing birani ko sini notice ko han da then nasagi ko na diary entry ko how to write diary entry is yam kana format laite habidi ismani igadavni have laite sab sabu ko adu let's see how to write the diary entry. So question number yeng si ko diary entry hadak hangibani Bosem Hslc 2024 da mahum pirga hai mang question du or chapni ko notice du ga. So how's koi diary entry amu yeng si ko diary entry gi question Bosem Hslc exam 2024 da 3 marks pirga mamangi notice tu ga or chalaga hangi ba question ni. So it was Sunday, you remained at home cleaning your room and suddenly realized in the evening that you missed a get together of your friends. Make a diary entry of what you missed it. Adu mitu dana no missed ogiba singdo so let's see how we can reproduce the diary entry do koi kamani I do no have the pet yeng si ko. So first of all we will write the date ko date hana ibirani then day ibirani ko adu matung da dear diary hana heta hawrani ko. So dear diary, today turned out to be such a mixed day. I spent the entire morning and afternoon cleaning my room. It was exhausting but satisfying to see everything neat and organized. However, in the evening, I realized something that left me feeling terrible. I completely forgot about the get-together with my friends and Hairiko. Adi mathangda. So they had been planning it for weeks and I was so excited about catching up with everyone. But somehow, amidst the cleaning and tidying, it completely slipped my mind. I feel awful thinking about the fun I missed. Laughs, stories, and all the memories they must have created without me. So I hope they understand my absence and I'll make it up to them as soon as possible. Still, it's a reminder for me to keep better track of important events. Then you can write good night. Then you can write your name. If it is given again, you are Thoiba. If it is given as Saska, you are Thoiba and Piramtari, then you have to write good night, then Thoiba. Then you have to write it like this. Sumani iga dumne. But question that you are to palam then you can write anything ko. Nang na ining bama ibiyay nang iming adum ibida keso kai balay ko. So that's all for today. Ngasigi koi tamgiba koi chapter sing ngasagi notice ko. Choba role ni lie di lie ba dubo ko na arai ba si master to wadum ni ko arai ba si antalam to pia di na 3 marks 3 marks di hawadum ni phang ba ko arai ba di phang ba hawadum ni. So I think no na ani si manungda ani mo haya chapter kan or chalakani either if you want to write the notice igi hai taradi then sigi format se follow tarodum EBRA ko ma humadum phangani. Then if you like to write diary entry ining tadi you can follow this format ko si follow tarakan ibida ma chapchan ahum phangani kan tabire ko. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching Learn Smart Manipur. Keep on watching.